We're in the Sky Lounge at the JFK Terminal 2, and so weather conditions, we are all stranded here for a while. Several people have been here for like 24 hours, what have you, and yeah, people are having a strain, whatever. And I was thinking about the connection between this and world-class manufacturing. Because imagine this, that Delta Airlines in this case, they have a problem. It's not caused by them, it's caused by weather conditions. They can do anything about the weather, but they seemingly have a system to work on this. People are trained to take care of people who are upset, who are disturbed, because they can't get home to their loved ones and what have you, and they need to go to work and everything like that. And they're calm and they are explaining and all that, so that there's a training behind that. It's not by chance that this is happening. Imagine this, you have 1,000 flights or so that suddenly gets cancelled in a day. Now you might have 100 people calling in from those flights, and that means 100,000 people now is going to call in to your customer service that you weren't aware of. So how do you handle that? There's a system behind that. There's a system to plan for the new flights, and for example, in my case, my flight is now grouped, so I have a much bigger aircraft that can bring much more people over to Atlanta, and this is obviously something that didn't come up with yesterday because the guys at work just came up with an idea because they were clever. I'm sure they are really clever people, but they build systems because they know the weather is going to hit them. Just like the problems that occurs in any sort of manufacturing industry, they are similar problems, not necessarily the same, hopefully. Unfortunately, it's the same as well, but similar problems that occurs. But if you have a systematic approach to handle that, it means that you can just execute a pre-defined process to handle the situation, as opposed to getting stressed and worried. What happens when you get stressed and worried that people come and complain? You might react very negatively to that because you think that you are a victim of circumstance, etc. So I just want to point out the fact that people here are calm. Even the passengers are calm because the people are calm around them. And the Delta is working hard on getting everybody to where they should go, and they have a plan for it. Just like you should have a plan for situations that you run into. And if it never happens, cool. But if it does happen, you just execute. People are already trained. Much easier life. People can stay calm and concentrated and make less personal mistakes. Thank you for listening.